His body language was saying, what can they do to me? That shows you it's a very, very hardened criminal.
Bet Samson Omuge ngesi era ekiaritulo etolosi akeswa muko battalion la kaisa kanyare Omuge ngesi torona taikanu aimusungtoni ayare saptalo Ikaru kaisari kanyauni lo ejianetai kwape estakusi ikabat lo ajenara kwape nabotho pio erasa tomna kanyauni olapalo tomontare o karula tubor kochalo kalo aputon etela changa kotem kalo ngariam kodisuta kalo katakwi epuli dalo apugan Major Jeff Kennedy ngesi obu olimok ekoti ebe Omuge ngesi obu opeleik ayara ikabata kede emudu yata kitepulida ebe obu Omuge obongobong aino monom opio kede emudu akaulona ajena nar ka einer apakina yatakina.
Prosecution informed this honorable court that the part of the body which was targeted, he was shot from the back and from the chest, who testified that the deceased was shot twice and on intervals. Prosecution informed this honorable court that during the attack, the accused was so aggressive, saying "Kachin," and didn't give the time to the deceased. And after the attack, the accused went to prosecution witness number 2 and told him that I have killed one, and these are his bows and arrows.
Omuge Lodi toroneta ngesi obu ili ekoti ai yapute Awenio nara imam ngesi tutualta ijokan.
Bore ni soliti ene alipitanga ngare ni ekoti ni saitini. Elo Atubokin ngoda. Yapute beremoti. Nara samuna aje ngona. Ara ena apugan. Do ara apugan obidu ke ngambus. Do mama ngalos to poneka. Mama ngelo pete esamatori aisisiana UPDF. E training atengo ara isiana kitengo akironi kamana kedajore ila pio wongon ajata rengyo keditu ngalui puno ile daringo lete nepeta kaisa ngono pangi otunga nguna kaisa ngon apipiliksi berebo bengo bengitomon otomona ngun kesi do elo ajala klatwan ne pepe kidapu sertongin so etunga ngunu kere ijasa kaninika
akalona bakitoike Omuge atubon lokoti kano Francis Kateraho nesi obu otubo ke Omuge ikara akaisauni ikanyi kotuptete akedia karete na sodeti.
Also, prosecution prayed for the harshest sentence, which can be maximum, which is death. Because the type of killing is as if it had an intention. Terminating someone's life calls for maximum sentence of death. Considered your mitigations. So, you need to go for rehabilitation for a reasonable period to get rehabilitated. So, this honorable court hereby sentences you RA 257246 Private Omuge Moses Solomon to 35 years imprisonment.
Eraban la ibungete na uniete na ajore na ko Uganda Major Isaac Oware ngesi obu imwanu enera Omugebe mamngesi etutuarta ijokan.
The issue of Private Omuge Moses Solomon alleging that he was ill-trained, that one cannot be an excuse because even then he was not trained alone.
Everybody when me pola kere abuye koti opedoto na ngitu nebe ayareka la plan otomapela ikile.
Obunya sisamana ko kadati mese alostari no kono neka bala kidio kono Ikaru. Taitara ko kupia nga pipil nara ikidio kikaru ne tuba eta ngo nara ele tuba eta Ikaru ne siria biti so no.
This is the first case we have had for this year of one of our own committing an offense of murder, unlawful act operationally.
Kanuka TV East, France is a for district Alokata.